Step 1. Make the flower. Using pink yarn. Chain 4. Join with a slip stitch to form a small ring. Chain 1. Work 10 single crochets into the ring. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Petals. In each alternate stitch work. SL Street, CH2, 3DC, CH2, SL Street. Repeat 5 times around the flower. You should now have a cute 5-petal flower. Fasten off, leaving a tail for sewing. Crochet a small oval base that will sit behind the flower and give the bracelet a neat, finished look. Green base pattern. Using dark green yarn. Chain 8. Starting in the second chain from the hook. 6 single crochets. Work 3 single crochets in the last chain. Continue on the opposite side of the foundation chain. 6 single crochets. Work 3 single crochets in the first chain. Join with a slip stitch. Round 2. Single crochet around the entire oval. Increase by working to single crochets in each of the 3 stitches at both rounded ends. Join with a slip stitch. Green base under, flower on top. Sew through center, attach decorative bead. Create bracelet floral centerpiece. Thread wooden beads onto ends, tie knot, trim excess yarn, weave in loose ends. And that's it! Your crochet flower bracelet is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next crochet tutorial. Finished size. Adjustable for children or adults by changing the length of the braided ties.